Hey, it's Paul Shepherd. Welcome to a 5-minute guided meditation to give your mind a break. So let's get comfortable. And it's a good idea to sit up for this one with your back up straight. But if you have to lie down, that's okay. And with your eyes closed, or look softly down towards the floor, take a few big, deep breaths. In through the nose, feel your body expand, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, very slowly, all the way to the end of the breath. And as you breathe out, begin to relax your facial muscles, your jaw, your neck and shoulders, and you might notice a wave of relaxation beginning to move down through your body with each out-breath. And let your breath return back to normal, breathing slow and low, with your breath finding its own natural rhythm. Bringing your attention to your body, feel the physical contact points of your arms and hands wherever they are resting. Feeling your back supported. Your bum, your legs, and your feet, keeping you grounded. Bring your attention to your chest and heart area, feeling the rise and fall with each breath. And can you feel a sense of gratitude for taking this 5 minutes today to invest in yourself? Bring your attention to an out-breath and follow the out-breath all the way to the very end, and notice how peaceful and still your mind becomes in the pause before you breathe back in. And if your mind naturally wanders to a thought, that's okay. Gently guide your attention back to your breath. Now again, bring your attention to feeling the weight of your body resting there. Feel your contact points, your arms, your hands, your back, your bum, your legs, your feet. Feeling your breath expand and contract your body. And then when you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. And you can open your eyes And just look within to get a sense of how you feel now that you've done this 5-minute mindfulness practice. I hope you come back to repeat this type of mindful meditation exercise and for it to become your new habit for positive mindset change. And remember, I am you, you are me, we are one. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.